Official images of the Levi's Air Jordan 3 sale pair have surfaced, giving a close look at one of 3 styles planned for the collection. The photos highlight thoughtful material changes that separate this release from the classic model. The traditional elephant print is replaced with a pony hair panel at the toe guard and heel, adding texture and depth. Denim plays a major role throughout the design, with a denim twill upper and a denim-wrapped heel plate that reinforces the workwear inspiration. Additional details elevate the storytelling. A Nike Air hang tag features the iconic Levi's back badge, while the insole carries a unique pattern tied to the collaboration. Behind the tongue, a Year of the Horse inscription connects the sneaker to Jordan Brand's annual nod to Eastern tradition. All of this is blended with a Western-inspired ranch aesthetic that feels bold yet premium. As of now, Jordan Brand has not announced a release date publicly yet,